Welcome students. Now we are going to start second chapter of environmental studies. Course code is 22447. Now what we will learn today is renewable resources, non-renewable resources and cyclic resources. What is renewable resources? Resources that can be replenished naturally in the course of time. It is called as renewable resources. These energy sources are continuously replenished at a constant rate. For example, renewable resources are solar power, hydropower, wind power energy, then tidal energy, geothermal energy, biogas. First one is solar power. Solar panel station is given in the diagram. The sun, it is a powerful source of energy that provide the earth with as much energy every hour as we collectively use in a year worldwide. 2000 millionth unit of solar energy does the earth intercept. Solar energy, it is obtained from the sun by capturing the solar radiation and converting it into another form of energy for performing various activities. Uses of solar power are solar cooker, solar water heater, solar electricity generator. Then second is hydropower. Hydropower, it is the energy which is derived from the falling water or running water. Falling water, it is channeled through a water turbines which rotate a shaft and drive an electrical generator, converting the motion into electrical energy. Dams are constructed across the river is used for generating hydroelectricity. Uses for of hydropower are hydropower plants can generate power to the grid immediately. They provide essential backup power during major electricity. Then hydropower efforts produce a number of benefits such as flood control, irrigation and water supply. Winds are caused, next is wind energy. Wind are caused by uneven heating of atmosphere by sun, the irregularities of earth's surface and rotation of earth. Large wind farms consist of hundreds of individual wind turbines which are connected to the electric power transmission network. Uses of wind power are the wind energy can be converted into mechanical and electrical energy to generate electricity during using the windmills. Now next form of energy is tidal energy. The energy that is derived from rise and fall of the sea tide. It is converted into electricity at seashore. Uses of tidal energy are to rotate the turbines and generate electricity. Energy storage, tidal energy can also be used as storage of energy. Then next is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy, it is the thermal energy that is generated and stored in the earth. This is the heat of interior of the earth present at volcanic regions, geysers or hot springs. Uses of geothermal energy, it is used to generate electrical energy. Then it is used for heating buildings, raising plants in greenhouses, then drying crops, heating water at farms, and several industrial processes such as pasteurizing milk, biogas. Gobar gas, it is a smokeless domestic fuel. It can be produced from cattle dung and other farm organic matters. The methane gas, it is generated from gobar gas plant which having high calorific value. Uses of biogas are it is used for cooking purpose as well as for lighting the outdoor street lamp. Then non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, that is the resources that exist in limited supply and cannot be replaced if they are used up. These are the exhaustible resources. For example, oil, natural gas, coal and nuclear fuel. Oil, this is first non-renewable resource. Liquid petroleum, crude oil or it is also known as mineral oil. It is the only non-renewable resource in fluid form. Industrial nation with a US far in the lead are biggest consumer of crude oil. Uses are for getting gasoline, heating oil and diesel fuel. Manufacturer utilize oil as the base for some product like plasticizer and industrial chemicals. Natural gas, second. Natural gas, it is a fossil fuel form when layers of buried plants and gases and animals are exposed to intense heat and pressure over thousands of years. Once drillers extract natural gas, processing plants remove the propane and butane to obtain liquefied petroleum gas, that is LPG. Uses of LPG are in household and industrial fuel. It is also used as fuel in vehicles. Then next is coal. Coal, it is the product of millions of years of pressure on original plants organic buried underground. It is combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock. Uses of coal are in power plant. Coal, it is a commonly burned in a boiler to produce steam. The steam is run through a turbine to generate electricity. It is also used for metallurgical, industrial and domestic purpose. The next is nuclear fuel. Nuclear fuel, nuclear power or nuclear energy is use of exothermic nuclear process to generate useful heat and electricity. The term include nuclear fission, nuclear decay and nuclear fusion. Fission, fusion and decay. Nuclear fuel, it is used in nuclear power station to produce heat to power turbines for electricity generation. Then third type of resource is cyclic resource. The resource that can be used again and again through same process, it is known as cyclic resource. For example, water used in industry and domestic waste can be cleaned and used again for similar or other purpose. These are some reference for these resources: renewable, non-renewable and cyclic resources. Thank you.